In this video, we'll find the interest rate of an annuity using Excel. Let's look at this problem. First, let's put all the information from the problem into Excel. Monthly payment is -120. The future value is $1,444.96. Number of payments, so since it's after 1 year and it's paid monthly, it will be 12. What we're trying to find is the annual interest rate, but the function we use can only find the monthly interest rate, which is the rate per period. So we're going to find the rate per period first and then multiply that number by 12. We'll get our annual interest rate. Okay, so I'm going to click the function button. Alright, so under the category of financial, let's find the function of rate, because we're looking for the rate per period first. So see right here, it says it gives you the interest rate per period, so that's what we're looking for here. So I'll click OK here. Okay, so put some input. So first of all, NPR is the total number of payment periods, or total number of payments. So we already did the calculation. It's 12. It's 1 year's payment and once per month. Okay, so the monthly payment is, I'm just going to put B1 here. It says -120 over here. Okay, the present value is, we'll put 0 because we know the future value. The future value is 1,444.96. So I'm going to put B2 over here. So B2 is the future value, B2. Okay, type, we can just use the default set, which is 0 if you put nothing. Okay, and you can already tell this is telling you the interest rate. I'll click OK. Okay, here it says 0%. It is because it's rounded to the nearest integer. So let me change the rounding here. Let me go to home. Over here, number. Here I want to move the decimal, so increase decimal. Let me see, increase, let's increase several. Let's do it one more time. Let's increase several. Okay, right here. Okay, so if you round it to the nearest 10,000, you will have 0.0625%. That's the rate per period. And to find the annual interest rate, you need to multiply the rate per period by 12. So I'm going to come over here. To multiply the rate per period by 12, we will type equals, and here it's B4, right? B4 and times 12. Okay, so we get 0.74995%. That's the annual interest rate.